Mastering the American Dream. The Cuban Triad for Triumphant Success. Greetings, everyone. My name is Dr. Emilio Justo, and today I'm deeply honored to share with you not only the insights from my professional journey, but also the personal philosophies that have shaped my life and contributed to my success. As a Cuban refugee, an eye surgeon, a two-time international TEDx speaker, and the best-selling author of The Power of Pause, Mastering Delayed Gratification for Success, I stand before you as a living testament to the power of self-discipline, resilience, and delayed gratification in achieving the American dream. Using my own mantra, which I call the Cuban Triad, a combination of self-discipline, resilience, and delayed gratification, these principles have illuminated my path forward and been my guiding stars towards success. Self-discipline was essential for me as I navigated the challenges of a new country, learned a new language, and pursued my education. Self-discipline kept me focused on my goals. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. Self-discipline is like a muscle. The more you exercise it, the stronger it gets. And I always dug deep and found the strength to push through regardless of the challenges. The second component of the Cuban Triad is resilience, fueled by an almost obsessive drive to succeed. Resilience is the capacity to recover quickly from difficulties, while obsession is an intense focus on a particular goal. Together, they create an unstoppable force. This new obsession is not about unhealthy fixation, but rather a passionate commitment to your goals. Every failure was an opportunity to learn and grow. Think back to a time that you failed or simply didn't achieve what you set out for. How did you handle the disappointment? Were you able to bounce back, or did it totally bury you? The final pillar of my Cuban Triad is delayed gratification. This is the ability to resist the temptation of an immediate reward in favor of a later, often greater reward. This principle, in my opinion, is crucial for achieving sustained success. Delayed gratification has played a pivotal role in my life. I've always prioritized long-term goals over short-term pleasures. Good things come to those who wait, but better things come to those who work for it. As we wrap up the Cuban Triad of self-discipline, resilience, and delayed gratification, this has been instrumental in my journey from a Cuban refugee to a successful surgeon, entrepreneur, and thought leader. These principles have helped me overcome challenges, achieve long-term success, and lead a fulfilling life. I encourage you to embrace this trilogy in your own life. By developing self-discipline, cultivating resilience, and practicing delayed gratification, you too can turn setbacks into opportunities, achieve your highest aspirations, and live a life of purpose and fulfillment. I invite you to embrace the Cuban Triad, harness those extraordinary attributes, and discover the extraordinary potential within you. Will you heed the transformative superpowers of this Cuban Triad? The choice is yours.